Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue you might encounter if you own a diesel engine vehicle, the P0382 code. This code indicates a glow plug or heater circuit B malfunction. Don't worry though, we'll walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. So, what does the P0382 code mean? In a diesel engine, glow plugs are essential for starting, especially in cold weather. The P0382 code specifically relates to a malfunction in the glow plug or heater circuit on cylinder B. When this circuit fails, your engine might struggle to start or run inefficiently. Faulty glow plugs, glow plug relay failure, wiring issues, faulty control module. OBDI scanner, digital multimeter, wrench set, replacement glow plugs, replacement relay. First, use your OBDI scanner to confirm the P0382 code. This will help you ensure you're dealing with a glow plug circuit issue. Remove the glow plugs and then use your digital multimeter to check each glow plug. Set the multimeter to the ohm setting and measure the resistance of each glow plug. A good glow plug typically has a resistance between 0.6 and 2 ohms. If the resistance is outside this range, replace the faulty glow plug. Next, locate the glow plug relay, usually found in the engine compartment. You can test it in the fuse box. Visually inspect the wiring connected to the glow plugs and relay for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you find any issues, repair or replace the wiring as needed. Once you've made the necessary repairs, reconnect the battery, clear the P0382 code using your OBDI scanner, and start the engine. Monitor the engine to see if the code reappears. If the check engine light stays off, you've successfully fixed the issue. And that's it. You've now fixed the P0382 code and ensured your diesel engine is ready to start smoothly, even in cold weather. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.